All right, this is for all you people who want to learn how to grow your booty, who want to get stronger glutes, who want to perform better at the gym or in your sports. This workout is for you. So grab your bands and your kettlebells and let's get started. Okay, so this is a moderately intense elastic. You can go heavier or lighter depending on your fitness level. So how I want you to get started is you're going to place one foot down, the other foot in, and I want you to be hip width apart, just like all your deadlifts that we've been talking about. Abs are nice and tight. So you need to crouch down, place that behind your shoulders and your neck, putting it on your shoulders and your traps and making sure it's not on your cervical spine or on your neck. You can use your hands to support and take some of the weight off or pressure off your shoulders. And then you're gonna hinge back and come back forward. Squeezing your butt and pushing through your heels to activate your hamstrings and squeeze your glutes. Again, keeping that neutral spine, chin in, pressing your butt forward. This is also going to help you with increasing your length in your hamstrings. So if you find that it's really tight when you bend forward, doing this over and over again is going to help you get those lengthened, which will then make your deadlifts better and your squats better. All right, your turn.